Hi everyone, my name is Tom Davis. I am a former secondary school biology teacher and ed tech professional. The mission of Rainbow Chefs Academy to educate our children about the importance of nutrition and healthy eating habits is a very personal one for me, as both my grandmother and my little sister passed away from complications of diabetes. Rainbow Chefs Academy, in my opinion, will transform education by making the children the change agents of health and wellness at both school and at home. By providing a better understanding of nutrition and establishing healthy eating habits in our youngsters at an early age is how we will overcome the scourges of childhood obesity and diabetes. Come join our mission. Thank you.